Welcome to Interstates. Welcome to my office. My name is Austin Schmidt. I'm electrical superintendent for Interstates, and I've been here for 13 years. I have a wide range of jobs that are going to go up there. From leading the crew, doing the planning and layout, working with pre-planning and the engineers, and often getting into control systems and engineering some of the control panels that we need for these certain sites. My day is really busy. No two projects are the same, and I enjoy the challenge of figuring things out and really being hands-on with the project and my team. We have a strong crew here. Everybody gets along really well. We work hard. We try to make sure everybody feels like they're appreciated. There's so many things in the field that you can be taught. I want somebody that's driven, is motivated, and wants to work on big projects. If you show some drive and some initiative, we'll train you and we'll teach you what you need to know. We're not going to hold you back. You can go wherever you want to go with Interstates.